Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to stop wasting money on Amazon ads without knowing these three things. Let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make with Amazon ads is assuming that ads are only for driving sales. The truth is, ads are also one of the most powerful ways to learn about your customers, your competitors, and the opportunities in your market. If sales have started slowing down, it doesn't always mean the product is losing demand. More often, it's that ads are not being optimized to reach the right audience. Amazon provides valuable data on impressions, clicks, and spending, but it's only useful if sellers actually analyze it and make informed decisions. That leads to an important strategy, running ads not just to sell, but to test. For example, if there's a potential audience that might be interested in a product, a small, low-budget campaign can be set up to explore that idea. By setting daily budgets conservatively and bidding slightly below Amazon's suggested levels, it's possible to test these new customer segments with minimal risk. From there, the campaign data will reveal whether the audience is viable. If impressions are high but clicks are low, it often indicates that bids are too low, so a small increase may unlock better results. As clicks begin to generate sales, the campaign can be scaled further, and the insights can be applied to new keywords, audiences, or competitor-focused strategies. This approach turns ads into a discovery tool. Instead of guessing, sellers use real data to validate assumptions and uncover hidden opportunities. At the same time, it's important to recognize that Amazon's reporting only goes so far. That's why many successful brands use third-party tools such as Helium 10. These tools provide deeper insights into keyword performance, customer behavior, and competitor strategies that Amazon alone doesn't reveal. For instance, analyzing competitor ASINs can show exactly which keywords are driving their sales, opening new opportunities to compete more effectively. The key lesson is this: Amazon ads should not be treated as a one-dimensional sales driver. They are an engine for gathering intelligence about the market. By testing carefully, analyzing data, and making incremental adjustments, sellers can discover new growth opportunities and scale more efficiently. When sellers begin asking the right questions, who is my customer? Which competitors matter? What keywords truly drive results? That's when ads become an investment rather than an expense. With the right strategy, ad spend stops being wasted and starts fueling sustainable growth. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.